another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I whip up my favorite salad. There are a couple of reasons why I love this salad. Number one, it's super duper healthy, it's full of protein, and number two, it takes very little time, and number three, it's very easy to make and it's Italian. This salad is perfect for people who are trying to lose weight, lose fat, and it's also perfect for people who are into weight training, who want to put on some muscles. Since this salad has tofu, it makes for a perfect post-workout meal. And if you guys are not into tofu, you don't like tofu, or you don't want to have it for a particular reason, you can also replace it with cottage cheese, that is paneer. So if you guys want to know how I make my tofu, zucchini and basil salad, keep watching.
I can't live without you. I can't breathe without your love.
Buono appetito. That means enjoy your meal in Italian. So if you guys like my recipe and you like my video, don't forget to try it, and if you try it, don't forget to comment and let me know. You can also tag your pictures on Instagram. I will be mentioning my Instagram and Facebook handles in the description box, so come along and follow me there. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to like it and share it. This is it for now. You guys are gonna see me soon in my next video. Till then,